Welcome to How to Analyze Salesforce email logs. As administrators, we might need to check what happened with one specific email once it was sent from Salesforce. For this purpose, we can use the Salesforce out-of-the-box feature email logs. To get email logs, first we need to go to Setup, and on the quick find, we type email logs and select from below. In this section, we can request the logs to Salesforce. Now we click on Request an email log, and depending on when do we need them, we select a range for the dates. Depending on the amount of emails, this request could take up to 30 minutes. Salesforce will notify you by email once the email logs are available. So we download the zip file, we open it, on the report, there are many columns that will help us on identify the emails and its current status. Let's take a look on column C, which contains the mail event. The mail event will help us to identify the current state of the email. R confirms that the email was in fact received. D confirms that the email was successfully sent. T means transient failure, and Salesforce tried to deliver the email over a 24-hour period. And finally, P is for permanent failure. This happens when the email could not be delivered. So, looking at these logs, we can see that most of my emails were actually sent and delivered. We do not see P's or T's for now, but it could be the case that if the email address of the recipient was not working properly, we could see some other legend. Depending on your needs, in this report you can also find the email header, how many bytes were transferred on the email, the ID of the user that sent the email, and more. I would recommend you to take a look on the Salesforce KA about email logs for further details. Link is provided on the video description. Thank you for watching How to Analyze Salesforce Email Logs.